Hello there, welcome to DaveTech YouTube channel, and in this video I want to show you how to download and install the perfect player application to your Fire TV device. This is going to be a full guided video. That means I will show you every single step you need to follow on your Fire TV device to install this particular application. So please do me a favor and watch the video right up to the end, following attentively as I'll take out my time and try my best to show everything right down to the least detail. So if you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe and share for more important videos like this. That's it, let's get started. Now the very first thing that you need to do is to go over to your Find button, and we will need to start by installing the downloader application because that's the app we are going to be using to install the Perfect Play application. To install downloader is very easy. Go over to the Find button on your Fire TV device, click on search and type in downloader over here, or in most cases when you type in D, you're just going to get the application as a suggestion over here. Now go over to it and just click on it, and here is the download application we are looking for. So as you go over to downloader, this is how it looks like on your Fire TV device, and it is compatible with my device. So all I need to do is click on the download option, and the application is going to start downloading. Now, as you might already know, Amazon recently released a new FireStick device version with a different operating system. That means this operating system that I'm using in this Amazon versions is not the same with the recently launched Fire TV options. So if you're using the recent Fire Sticks, then I'm not sure you'll be able to sideload certain applications because the newly released Fire TV devices, sideloading it's been blocked in these devices. But for those of us who still have the old version of Fire Stick that has an Android operating system, we are still able to sideload or install applications from unknown sources. So that's what the device I am using here. So if you're using a new version of the recent Fire Stick device, then you wouldn't be able to sideload applications. I am sorry. Now let's continue. Now once I go back to my Fire Stick, I've installed the download option. The next thing I need to do is to make sure that on my Fire TV device, I am able to install applications from unknown sources. Whatever the Fire Stick option, installing application from unknown sources by default it's limited, so it is restricted. We need to turn that on. So go over to your Fire Stick option or the settings on your Fire Stick, and you're going to go over here and you're going to see this option that says developer options. In these developer options, we need to make sure that we're able to install applications from unknown sources. But if your Fire Stick is new, you're not going to see this option. Let me show you how to make this option to appear. Come to the About section on the Fire TV name, click on it 5 times or on the OK button 5 times until there's a pop-up below that says no need, you are already a developer. Once that pop-up shows up, then this developer option is going to appear. Now go over to it and make sure that this second option, which is what we are interested in, as from unknown sources, we need to make sure that this option is turned on. Let me just tell you what is going to happen if this is not turned on. If this is not turned on, you will not be able to install any application from unknown sources, and that includes downloader. You wouldn't be able to install applications from downloader if this option is not turned on. So please turn this on. Once you turn it on, all you need to do is you return home over here, and then we are able to install application on unknown sources. So we've done 2 steps. We've installed downloader and we turn on the unknown sources. So what we need to do now, go out to the download application that we just installed, and that's what we are going to be using to install the Perfect Player applications. So once you are here, allow all of these and go over to this button over here. If you don't know how to use downloader, please, this is how to use downloader. What you need to do is to go over here and type in a code of digits, and they can use that code to install the application that you want. So for instance, while installing the application that we want to install, the Perfect Player, this is the code we need to type. The code is 3388802. So 3388802. Please, 38, not 48. If you type in the wrong code, this is not going to work. So as you type in this code, just go ahead and launch, and this is going to what is going to happen. The downloaded application is going to start downloading this particular application to our Fire TV device. So we're installing the Perfect Player, and this is the link to installing it. So it's going to start downloading to our Fire Stick device, and here's the application. While the application is downloading, I just want to recommend you a VPN to use on your Fire TV device. Now this is the reason we always recommend VPNs. While browsing on the internet, you don't know what you might come across. The internet is not a secure place, and you might face limitations on the internet. All of these problems, a VPN can solve that for you. If you check the description of this description, if you check the description of this video, you are going to see the best VPN suggestion for you, which is a NordVPN. Check it out and create an account, get a subscription for yourself, and start using it. This is the Black Friday period, and if you check it out right now, I am sure you are going to get a discount. That's it. Let's continue. Once the application is downloaded, what we need to do is to click on install, and it's going to quickly install to our Fire TV device. So just give it a second, the application is going to be installed. Once it's done installed, just click on done. Delete that file from your FireStick device to save space, and then you can return home by closing the FireStick device. If you close the FireStick and return home and refresh your Fire TV, go back to the apps, you're going to see Perfect Player has been installed, and here's the application being installed on your FireStick device. Now I just want to see, if you go over here and you don't find the application, this is what to do to find the application after installing it. Go over to your settings and come over to the option that says applications over here, and you're going to see this option that says manage installed applications. Now this is only if you install the application and you don't find it on your app library. This is going to come in handy. Go over to the manage applications on this option over here, and you're going to see every application that's been installed to your Fire Stick device over here. So this is the Perfect Player applications, and this is how it should look like on your Fire Stick device. So go ahead and launch it, and you can launch the application from here, and this is how it's going to look like. So you need to read the terms, so you can come over here, click on read the terms, and it is very important for you to read the terms. Please read through the terms on your Fire Stick device, and as you can see, this application is just a player and it does not host any content. Perfect Player is just a player like any other player, and it doesn't host any content. You need to install or bring in your own content that you want to view on this application. So please make sure to read out the terms before you go ahead and install the applications. So once you read through the terms, once you have read through the terms and you are good, just click on the accept button here, and then you are good to go. So here's the application. This is how it looks like once you launch it. Of course, you need to put in your content that you want to view on your Fire Stick device. So there are the settings. You can go over here to the settings and change some settings that you want on your Fire TV device. I'm just quickly showing you how to use the applications. So you need to put in your content or whatever source of content that you have on your Fire TV device. This application does not host any content. It's just a player, and you need to come up with your own content that you want to view on the applications. So that's it. That's how to download and install, and also how to use it for your first time on your Fire TV device. Please, if you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this.